Remove uric acid from your joints. Amazing recipe below. If you want to try something different, cucumbers are an ideal choice for your vegetable juice due to their high water content and mild flavor. Besides being very tasty, this juice is very beneficial for your health as well. It can act as antipyretic and lower body heat. According to a number of studies, this juice has the ability to eliminate excess uric corrosive acid and crystals off joints. Combined with ginger and celery, it can provide even better results. It can effectively detox your body and remove inflammation and relieve pain. So, if you have uric crystals, don't hesitate to try this super healthy juice. In a short period of time, you will experience significant improvements. Trust me. Needed ingredients: a lemon slice, 2 stalks celery, 1 cucumber, 1 ginger inch piece. Directions: first, you need to clean the ingredients well. Cut your cucumber and celery into slices. Slice half of the lemon, and keep the rest in your fridge. Shred the ginger root. Combine the ingredients into a delicious juice and drink it once or twice a day until you see some improvement.